I just received my first case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I haven't even opened the box yet. Now, at the time of this video, the iPhone 17 series has not even officially been announced yet. Of course, if you follow the news, you've seen all of the leaks. Now, of course, if you follow the news, you've seen all the leaks, you know what it's supposed to look like. But I'm still really excited to see the case. And I'm going to open it up right in front of you. And I'm going to open it up right in front of you. I'm excited. It says something in Chinese. All right, here it is. All right, here it is. Camera bar and everything. I don't know why, but I'm going to pop my 16 Pro Max in the case. Actually, the 16 Pro Max fits pretty well. Although it does cover up some of the sensors here and leaves blank space where there are... Although it covers up the sensors here. And there's blank spaces where there are no sensors. The lenses are in the exact same position, but it's covering up the sensors, and there's blank holes for where there are no sensors on my phone. It's cool that it fits, though. So here's some close-ups of the case. I will be doing an entire review of all the iPhone. I will be doing an entire video on all the new iPhone 17 series cases. So make sure you look out for that. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.